Back here at Preakness in Damascus, we are here to set the radon test. If you didn't know, radon is a gas that is basically decomposing rock that comes up through the foundation, and it's called radon gas. It has been linked to cancer and it can kill you. So testing for it, it's kind of one of the things we have to do in real estate. All right, let's get this thing opened up. Now, there are many different types of radon tests, and they can range price-wise quite significantly. So we're gonna get this one set and read through some directions, make sure we set it right, and then I believe it has to sit for at least 48 hours. Then we come back, mail it in, get our results, and they let us know if we have high or low radon. So we got our test set. Now I have to document our start time and the date. We have to let it sit for at least 48 hours. Then we come back, bag it up in this fancy little bag that they send us here, and then we mail it off.